Mentaga sngi ga jia lang jong kabinet klasim ya garai ban ai siswa prapo akar ga jaka jong ka sarkar hasait sopen sya ka ilaka ka batam nang ta an peit daga general administration department jong ka sarkar jela daga ne karai kabinet mentaga sngi ya ka ne jing e kbala ne labun phau phos nem lala ban penbeit ong menteri rang ba ga jela kondat ke sakma Awe perkarai kalong bak sarkar kana penlait shua ya ka baha jong ka khajna jong ka karohil autonomous council on yo bat siwya ka tulop jong ki nok trai na ka banta khar adnai ha ka ju ka por la batha ya ka JHDC bagan priang ya principal secretary badi IS ban petlem ya ka pisa pilan ha ka tei ka district council
and we have taken up 6 formal items in the cabinet today. The first item was the approval of the Meghalaya Directorate and District Drivers Service Rule 2025. As you're aware that in the past many years there has been a very aggressive approach and work by the personnel department to ensure that all the service rules are in place, because these directly affect the promotion of and recruitment of employees and promotion of employees, and hence having proper service rules in place is absolutely mandatory, and hence in the past we have been doing that, and in line with that today we have also cleared the Meghalaya Directorate and District Drivers Service Rule. Number two, as you're aware, we have inaugurated just recently, and therefore we have prepared a proper SOP on how the Taraghar, the state guest house, will be run, and how the rooms will be allotted, to whom it will be allotted, and the different aspects of how to run the overall guest house. So this SOP was presented to the cabinet today, and it was cleared. The third agenda was the holiday list for 2026. We have approved that in the cabinet today, and it is similar and in line with the holiday list of 2025. The fifth agenda was the GAD land at Site Sopen in Sora Civil Subdivision. There had been a dispute with the Elaka and the state government for many decades, and the Elaka also had raised concerns about the overall ownership of the land in the Sora subdivision in Site Sopen. And today the cabinet has approved the recommendations that have come through the committee that was headed by the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, Bapriston Tinsong, where for the past year and a half, this committee has been engaging with different stakeholders and different individuals and people to finally come up with a long-term and a permanent solution to this. Based on this, there were certain areas which had been occupied by the residents and by the Elaka overall out there for many decades, even before the statehood, and in fact some or majority of them even from British time. And therefore, based on all these records, there was a discussion that was done with the Elaka, and there was reached to a conclusion after detailed discussion with them that approximately 128 acres of land will be handed over to the Elaka, and the rest of the land there will be with the GAD and the state government. And with this decision, this long pending dispute and issue between the Elaka and the GAD, hopefully, as I said, will be resolved. Once this cabinet decision is made, now they will go for a formal agreement with the concerned stakeholders and move forward to find a permanent solution, and to not move forward to find, but move forward to conclude the permanent solution for this long pending issue. The sixth issue that we had was the recommendations that have come from the subcommittee that has been set up for the different district councils. So we had a report that has come today, few days back, from the Garo Hills District Council Committee. Subcommittee report has already been submitted. And based on this subcommittee report, the GAD, the committee under the District Council Affairs Department has submitted to a proposal to the cabinet, and the proposal is as follows: that after detailed discussion with the subcommittee and with a detailed discussion with the EC of the Garo Hills District Council and understanding their needs and concerns, the state government and the cabinet today has decided to release in advance the share of the councils in their royalty. And with this, they will be able to clear certain amount of backlog, approximately 12 months, and will be able to pay salaries on time. And this advance against the share of the councils, as I said, is what has been agreed by the cabinet today. In line with that, the EC has also agreed that once this advance against the share of the council is given to them, they will also accept the appointment of an IAS officer as principal secretary to the GHADC, and to overlook into the financial aspect in terms of the disbursement of the salaries, particularly of the district council, and also to look into certain aspects of financial reforms of the council. Also, it was agreed that the council will be requested to open up an escrow account to manage these funds that will be the advance share of taxes of council royalties, which will be released to the council. The escrow account will be opened up so that it can be monitored in terms of the money that goes in should be used for disbursement of salary purpose.